Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will address the common issue of missing parts in your Synco controller. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by removing the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws located near the handles. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as they are essential for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the controller casing. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the casing together. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After opening the controller, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any missing parts, such as the battery connector or the thumbstick module. If you notice anything amiss, it's crucial to identify the specific part you need to replace. Next, let's clean the internal components. Dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol and gently clean around the circuit board and connectors. This will help ensure a good connection when you replace any missing parts. If you're unsure about cleaning or repairing, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your controller fixed without any hassle. Now, if you have identified a missing part, you can either order it online or visit a local electronics store. Make sure to check the compatibility with your Synco controller model. Once you have the replacement part, it's time to install it. Align the new part with the existing connectors and press it gently into place. After replacing the missing part, it's essential to reassemble the controller. Start by placing the casing back together, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can always reach out to us for assistance if you encounter any issues during reassembly. Finally, once your controller is back together, test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you find that the controller still isn't working as expected, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your gaming experience back on track. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. In description.